My AI just changed. It just buzzed the front gate. Thank God you came. How many more days could I wait? I made plans with you, and I won't let them fall through. I think I lie for you. I think I die for you. Jealousy cry for you. Do things when you want me to. Like controller.
On our way to a coffee hunting, malapit dito sa bahay namin. Napuntahan ko yung malalayo pero yung mga na malapit sa bahay, hindi ko pa napupuntahan. So, puntahan na natin. There, Gongjan. Yan.
Later.
Fortunately, we need to evacuate kasi di pa open yung coffee shop doon. So, sa Sevi tayo. So, nasa Sevi na tayo, guys. And mamimili na muna tayo.
Like controller, controller, yeah. Like controller, controller, yeah.
Katingala kasi, di ba? By the way, I uploaded my new video sa YouTube, ha. Panoorin nyo yun. Dapat, pagkatapos nitong araw na to, lahat ng gagawin ko, tapos na. And I started 2:42. And andyan na yung pagkain ko. Wait lang. Kunin lang natin, guys. Nag-ring na siya. I'll be back! Thank you, Lord, sa lahat. Thank you, Lord, sa confidence. Thank you, Lord, for giving Althea. For giving Althea to herself. And thank you, Lord, for giving my partner to me. Please keep him safe. Also, my family.
I do it how you say you want it. Them girls, they just wanna take my money. They don't want me to give you nothing. They don't want you to have nothing. They don't wanna see me find your love.
Ako lang mag-isa talaga dito. See? Ako lang. And that's what I want. May privacy. Pinagbibigyan ni Lord yung pagiging introvert ko. Now, I need to finish my lunch. Para magawa na natin yung schoolworks.
They don't wanna see me smiling back when they pre knowing I lie for you. Thinking I die for you. Jealousy cry for you. Do things when you want me to. Like controller, controller. Yeah. Like controller, controller. Yeah. But you can't just diss and come tell man sorry. You can't listen to me talk and go tell my story. It don't work like that when you love somebody. My old flex is my new flex now and we're working on it. And that's why I need all the energy that you bring to me.
Kakatapos ko lang gawin yung family business ko na kailangan sulatin. Kasi mostly nagpapa-open notes si ma'am. So, mas mabuti na every time na may report is lagi naming sinusulat. And ngayon, ang gagawin naman natin is yung quantitative techniques na meron akong reporting doon. Tapos na yung first group, meron kaming reporting na chapter 2, chapter 8, and chapter 12 or 11.
My last girl would tear me apart, but she never wanna split a thing with me. But when it comes to you, I think I'd lie for you. I think I'd die for you. Do things when you want me to, like control.
Cotton, silk, wool. This is X. This is Y. Tapos ang benta is 1,600.
Yeah, like controller, controller. Yeah.
Bale, tapos na ako sa quantitative Tapos na ako sa quantitative technique ko na report, pati yung quiz. Punta tayo sa marketing report. This is what I have. Our topic for today will be the marketing aspect.
I do it how you say you want it. Them girls, they just wanna take my money. They don't want me to give you nothing. They don't want you to have nothing.
So, tumawag na sa akin si Papa. And time check, it's already 6:01 maybe. Kasi it's advanced. My relo is advanced. Pero yung nasa cellphone ko kanina is nasa around 5:40-ish. Pero, siguro nasa alas 6 na din. So, tapos ko nang i-review yung marketing report ko. Ngayon, ang i-review ko naman ngayon is yung last. Family business, yung script. Ito ang aking script. Bakit siya nandito? Ito na yung gagamitin ko. Kasi, isa akong attorney. Props ko siya as a lawyer. Ako si Attorney Joy. Parte ng pamilyang Monteverde. 3 and 4 wala ako. Hello lang yung 4. Ay, yung 3. Pero yung 5, now I can take this long. May problema ba? Ano talaga yan? Sila kuya pupunta ba? That's the first scene, guys. That's my first scene. Ano ba? This is the main reason why I'm here eh. Tagalog na lang kaya. Ano ba? This is the main reason kaya ako dapat nandito eh.
They don't wanna see me smiling back when they breathe.
Ba't talaga namin ang isang katulad mo? Kaya natuloy isang panganay ako naman. Eh? 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 Yun lang talaga yung line ko. Eh? Ayun lang oh. Ayan oh, maiksi lang. May practice kami bukas na yung acting-acting. So, baka bukas makilala nyo na yung classmates ko na second year BSN Trep. Naubos ko lang yung kape ko. And then, uuwi na ako. So, yun lang guys. Thank you so much, Sevi, sa pag-ampon sa akin sa araw na to. I hope more Sevis to come. Yun lang. Thank you so much, guys. Mwah.